Well, the first thing we want to do is remove this old doorknob, which you're just going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. Super easy to do. This one might need to bend the handle down just a little bit. Up underneath there. That's why it had a little curve in the handle. And just simply unscrew it. Very simple to do. Oops. Before you do that, though, also we can take. Want to make sure your door is able to be opened here. Take our handle off all the way. We're not going to be able to open our door. So usually just 4 simple screws to change this out. And then obviously this is just unscrewed here. There we go. Take that out. Turn that a little bit. Remove that. And